Huh?
Go.
Oh, you can't just tell me.
So start your beat.
Yeah, well, I want to restart the beat because it might finish.
Okay, start your beat.
Okay.
F&M Live Part 2.
That's what's up. Yeah.
Almost.
F&M Live Part 2. Are we on?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, man. You gotta fill up CDM. Y'all watch out for FNL. Friday Night Live coming out soon. Yeah. Falcon, what up?
Yo, Falcon on the camera.
I ain't even gonna talk too much, bruh.
Pitty, what up? Pitty, what up? Pitty, yeah. Alright.
Check. Hey, yo, I've been spitting dope for years. Still, they don't know me yet. My sole regret is if I don't regress my flow and get another sound, or dance around and don't neglect the underground, or dumb it down, then there's no career. Damn, all the lyrics that I wrote compare to a condom. They go overheads. But on the real, if the truth be told, I'm on the hustle with bars in the studio. You think we're ill, huh? You will truly know how sick we really are when we fully blown. They ain't getting it. I'm hella sick and it remains quite evident. Compared to this, these whack cats really spit the abstract great lines that I really spit. The crackbacks break spines for the hell of it. Do the math, I'm 8 times better, bitch. Okay, fine, here's a tip. Kill yourself in plain sight, terrorist. Kill yourself, take knives, terrorist. Sever it till the vein dries and everything. But yet again, I advise you get an exorcist when I get the pen and strip, cause I possess a terrorist. I'm hard as fuck with punchlines that'll knock him out. I'll take a razor blade and start to cut your stomach up, then take it to your face, that's what I call an uppercut. Now, y'all ain't feeling that, cause I ain't singing it, and I don't spit vernac. Well, I don't give a fuck if you think it's whack. Nigga, your top 3 rappers, give me that. I'll kill them real fast and piss on the bastards. Bury the fags, they'll fit in one casket. Yeah, and if you think deep, start to count 3 motherfuckers, that's 6 feet underground. Yeah, I left them dying in that diabolic attack from the rhymes that I sped. All I gotta say is motherfucker minus is back.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah, man. Fill up CDM, 7th of July. That's what's up, my man. 50 Rand gets you in. The biggest show in the East Rand ever. It's gonna go down.
Where is it again?
F&M for life.
Give
More
us the
details coming out later.
Alright.
But that's what the fuck is up. F&M, boy.
Peace.
I...
Ga je niet